Bloopers.
Liver!
Ooh, yummy. We're at Sloss Furnace, so that's fun. There's an actual like window.
Love. I can't see anything.
Imagine just like looking into there, and all of a sudden like a freaking face pops up. Oh my god, this is so. Oh my god!
Finally seeing a ghost, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit. Sorry.
Just because he's pale doesn't mean anything, that is.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I saw him and I was like, I'm not gonna tell her.
You suck. I want to go up. Dang. I really do want to go up there though. Like, holy crap.
Wimpy says hi.
Let's go down in there.
But we can't climb any structures, Megan. You rebel! Oh, touch it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch.
That's not creepy at all.
No, it is very windy, and we are right next to a train track. So yeah.
Excuse the sounds.
Anytime I see a ladder, I want to. Matthew?
Touch.
Oh, this is cool. Let's climb it.
We can't climb it, Megan.
But I want to.
Ooh, cool, Megan, an outlet. We can plug in our phone.
We get electrocuted. All the ghosts will be like, bro,
Bro,
you killed
you
the
got here
party."
too? Great.
Whoa, no way, Matthew. Okay, so I'm pretty sure, wasn't there like a, oh man, what was it? Wasn't there like a revolt? Like,
A what?
Yeah, didn't a bunch of the workers go on strike?
Yeah.
I bet you that's like a replica of one of the, or maybe even one of the tools that they, or
Probably
stuff
a
they
replica.
scrapped up. I mean, you never know.
Megan.
Huh?
It was 90 years ago.
It was 90 years ago?
The pamphlet says for 90 years.
Okay, so it was probably opened 90 years ago. I think I just saw a ghost, but it's cool.
Bowling engine building.
Blowing. It's a giant furnace that they were used to smelt, stuff in for the city, and so I don't know. Everybody says, "Oh, there's arrows pointing that way." Oh wait, never mind. It was
They're just sign building.
yeah. We're going backwards, completely backwards. But
We're
yeah,
going on our own tour. Do it this way. Just so that I can get it in there.
we actually entered down through in there. So, oh man, this is cool. So this is actually a real like historical site in Alabama.
Hey Megan,
What?
you made a Coke.
God damn it, Matthew. Look, a rainbow! You can see it! Oh my god! This is cool. Let's go swim in it.
We don't have the proper clothing.
I don't care.
I can see it right there.
Where's my finger? Here it is. It's right there. I want to get some scary shit.
Give me your pamphlet.
You're dugging my butt.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Oh, I don't know if I hit something, or it was a bug, or something.
What?
This is all.
It smells like ass.
Whoa.
Apparently, these people were fucking short. They must be fucking short.
Oh my god, it's scaring me. So, Matthew and I have both heard, like, talking coming from this tunnel.
Yeah.
Dude, imagine, like, walking past here and then, like, seeing a face in one of these.
No potty breaks.
It smells like ass.
I mean, yeah, there's a bunch of rusty water down there. Mmm, yummy.
It smells like booty hole.
Where did he go? Where did he go? Okay, I swear, when I looked that way, I saw somebody standing there. And it doesn't help that, like, the sun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, dang it! Every time. I want to go up there so bad.
We came at the wrong time.
Shh. I just heard somebody cough back here. A ghost. How are we gonna get through there? Oh,
You made it the most difficult process ever.
his cough got me so bad.
I know you're.
Bitch ass.
I really want to come back here when it's dark. Am I a psychopath for that?
Yeah.
He's over here singing about chocolate cake, and I'm just like, ooh, what's in there? Ooh, a big hole. I want to jump in it. This is annoying.